Hi friends, my name is Sarita and today we'll learn about artificial intelligence, also known as AI. A lot of people want to know why AI is in huge demand in the market as far as future opportunities are concerned. So let's try to understand the basics about AI. Artificial intelligence is designed in such a way that it works as human intelligence. It is used for the development of intelligent machine which thinks and works like human. It is programmed in such a way that it thinks and acts like human and interprets its action. It can also be associated with machines that behaves like human mind like learning, planning and problem solving skills. The example of artificial intelligence is Siri, flying drones, etc. The different types of learning in AI are first, weak AI. It is a machine intelligence and it is considered for narrow set of specific tasks. Second is strong AI. It is a machine intelligence that focuses on problem solving skills. It is not related to one specific problem, but it has the ability to solve any problem as typical humans. Third is super intelligence. It is artificial intelligence beyond just human intelligence. It has the capability to even surpass human mind. It keeps doing self-improvement, so it is considered as a rapid outcome of creating artificial general intelligence. Now let's see the different types of AI. First is reactive AI, which is used to perform the narrow range task and it works on the data that is currently available. Second is limited memory AI, which is used to, as the name suggests, it works on the data collected in the past and evaluates future action. Third is the theory of mind AI, which studies the psychology of human mind and tries to understand the concept of emotional intelligence in terms of beliefs and thoughts. And fourth is self-aware AI. It is the highest level of AI that is super intelligence where the computer or machine has its own consciousness and becomes self-aware as it has its own thoughts and process totally self-dependent. Some of the major branches of AI which are used to solve the real world problems are machine learning, robotics, natural learning processing, neural networks, fuzzy logics, etc. Today, artificial intelligence is gaining a lot of demand in the market and slowly it's becoming the part of industries. Career-wise, it's the best option as its importance is huge in the market and it's the future of technology. The eligibility criteria is the person should be from engineering, computer science and mathematics background and experience with machine learning will be added advantage. Lot of opportunities like AI developers, AI engineers, data scientists, business intelligence consultants and many more etc. are offered in big MNCs. As you know, cloud has already been a part of a lot of companies, so definitely the future is going to be artificial intelligence. You can opt for the courses and get certified into AI. A lot of options are available online, so you can check the syllabus and accordingly decide about the course. I hope this information was helpful. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel as this motivates me to create more and more good content. Thank you so much.